Have you ever spent $20,000 or $30,000 on a piece of dental equipment, then you walk in one Tuesday morning, your schedule is completely full, and your dental chair just isn't working? Patients are already checked in, and your team is ready to go. And you're just now realizing two things at the exact same time. You're going to have to pay to repair or replace this chair, and you're going to lose income while it's down. The frustrating part is there's actually insurance for this. Most dentists just don't realize it exists, and that's exactly what we're going to be talking about today. Hi, my name is Orrin Pearson. I'm the Vice President at Insurance by Dentist and author of Insurance for Dentists Malpractice Edition. Thank you so much for joining me today. We're an insurance agency that works exclusively with dentists and their practice, and we post videos every single week focused on insurance and risk management for dentists and their practice. We're excited to have you here today, so let's jump right into today's topic. Equipment breakdown insurance is designed to cover sudden mechanical or electrical failure of equipment in your dental practice. This includes things like dental chairs, X-ray machines, compressors, vacuum systems, sterilizers, and other critical equipment that keeps your practice running from day to day. If a piece of equipment suddenly stops working because of an internal mechanical or electrical issue, this is the coverage that's meant to respond. I want to walk through a simple example using a dental chair. Let's say there's a power surge the night before that fries an internal electrical component in the chair. Now the chair is completely useless. You don't just lose the equipment, you also are faced with the cost to repair it or replace it. And in a situation like this, equipment breakdown insurance will cover that repair or replacement costs because the cause was an electrical failure. Now here's an important distinction. If that same dental chair stops working because of normal wear and tear over time, equipment breakdown insurance is not going to cover the cost. This coverage only applies to sudden, accidental mechanical or electrical failures, not maintenance issues or aging equipment. Understanding that difference is key. Equipment breakdown insurance is important for dentists who own expensive equipment and want to protect against the financial impact of that equipment unexpectedly breaking down. Replacing or repairing major equipment like X-ray machines or dental chairs can be a significant out-of-pocket expense, and this coverage exists specifically to help cover those costs. It is important to note that equipment breakdown insurance does not eliminate downtime entirely. There is still downtime while the claim is reviewed and while repairs or replacements are arranged. However, once the claim is finally approved, equipment breakdown insurance ultimately helps pay to repair or replace the equipment rather than the practice absorbing that cost on its own. You'll likely want to consider equipment breakdown insurance if your practice relies on high-cost equipment and you want protection from large, unexpected repair or replacement expenses. You might not need this coverage if you're a very new practice with minimal equipment, or if your equipment is fully leased and repairs are handled by the vendor, or if you're comfortable self-insuring those risks yourself. Alright, that's going to wrap things up for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you have any questions. Feel free to put them in the comments below or reach out to us directly. Thank you so much for watching today. My name is Orrin Pearson, Vice President at Insurance by Dentist, and I'll see you in the next video.